Algorand value equivalent to $0.0958 a coin. The present reach, $0.0953. $0.0981. The earlier day close, $0.0964. The change was 0.0006. 0.62%. Reverse rate, United States dollars to Algo. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for September 2023. Initially cost at $0.093. Most extreme cost $0.112. Least cost $0.087. The normal for the month $0.098. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.100. Change for September 7.5%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. In the first place cost at $0.100. Greatest cost $0.111. Least cost $0.087. The normal for the month $0.101. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.104. Change for October 4.0%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.104. Greatest cost $0.104. Least cost $0.082. The normal for the month $0.095. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.088. Change for November 15.4%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Before all else cost at $0.088. Most extreme cost $0.088. Least cost $0.073. The normal for the month $0.082. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.079. Change for December 10.2%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at $0.079. Most extreme cost $0.079. Least cost $0.061. The normal for the month $0.071. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.066. Change for January 16.5%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. To start with cost at $0.066. Greatest cost $0.066. Least cost $0.051. The normal for the month $0.060. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.055. Change for February 16.7%. Algorand cost expectation for WOC 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.055. Greatest cost $0.055. Least cost $0.043. The normal for the month $0.050. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.046. Change for spring 16.4%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. To start with cost at $0.046. Greatest cost $0.046. Least cost $0.040. The normal for the month $0.044. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.043. Change for April 6.5%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at $0.043. Most extreme cost $0.047. Least cost $0.041. The normal for the month $0.044. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.044. Change for May 2.3%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.044. Greatest cost $0.055. Least cost $0.044. The normal for the month $0.049. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.051. Change for June 15.9%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at $0.051. Most extreme cost $0.051. Least cost $0.040. The normal for the month $0.046. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.043. change for July 15.7%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. Initially cost at $0.043, most extreme cost $0.043. Least cost $0.033. The normal for the month $0.039. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.036. Change for August 16.3%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2024. To start with cost at $0.036. Greatest cost $0.040. Least cost $0.034. The normal for the month $0.037. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.037. Change for September 2.8%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2025. In the first place cost at $0.023. Most extreme cost $0.029. Least cost $0.023. The normal for the month $0.026. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.027. Change for November 17.4%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. Initially cost at $0.027. Most extreme cost $0.028. Least cost $0.024. The normal for the month $0.026. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.026. Change for December 3.7%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at $0.026. Most extreme cost $0.026. Least cost $0.022. The normal for the month $0.025. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.024. Change for January 7.7%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. Initially cost at $0.024. Most extreme cost $0.024. Least cost $0.019. The normal for the month $0.022. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.020. Change for February 16.7%. Algorand cost expectation for WAC 2026. At the outset cost at $0.020. Most extreme cost $0.022. Least cost $0.020. The normal for the month $0.021. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.021. Change for spring 5.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.021. Greatest cost $0.026. Least cost $0.021. The normal for the month $0.023. Algorand cost gauge toward